Okay, today I'm going to do a quick video on how to swap the frame on a Sig Sauer P365. This is the original 365 frame with the P365 XL slide, and this is the original XL frame. I swapped them to see how I liked the shorter grip, and now I'm going to swap it back to its original XL size. So the first thing you want to do, I've already made sure the gun's clear. You want to take out the magazine. Okay, this is a brand new gun. It's had about maybe 60 or 70 shots through it. I'd have to go back and count. But the point is, it's very tight still. So I'm going to slide this back, lock the slide back. Okay, then you want to rotate this holding pin clockwise till it stops. Then slide this back slightly and the whole thing will pull forward and slide off. So back slightly and then it all slides off just like that. Just set the slide to the side. We're focusing on the frame here. Now if you look, this pin right here, that's what holds the trigger group in place. And you're going to take the entire trigger group out of this frame, line it up in the notches in this frame, kind of taper it in the front first, slide it down, line up the holes, put the pin in, and it's done. It's really that easy. You just got to watch out when you pull this trigger group out. Make sure you put your fingers along the sides where the little parts are, because these little parts that are in here need to be kind of held in place or they can fall out on you. So this pin is a little tight the first time, probably the first couple of times, but definitely the first time. You may have to get a really small pin punch or something and tap it a little bit. You don't want to smash on it, just tap it to push it out. Now I believe you're supposed to push the slide release up and get this back in place before you take it apart. But since Sig doesn't give you instructions on how to take it apart, I'm not 100% sure what they would want you to do. Now I'm just going to push on this pin because this has been taken apart once before. Ooh, and it worked. There we go. Let's see that sticking out. So as I stated a minute ago, as I push the pin out, I'm going to hang on to this part, put the pin aside. This whole unit, trigger and all, should slide out of here. There we go. And again, there's little parts on the sides. You want to hold it by the sides. That's the trigger group. Put the other frame to the side. Line this up again a little bit at an angle to get the front parts in. You'll see this hole here, that's for the trigger. Slide that down into place. Once you get the back in, you line this hole up. Looks like the front's in all the way. Now we're going to take our pin and do the opposite. Push that in. Wow. That was really simple. That was very easy. Okay, now I'm going to do the reverse to put the slide back on. Push up on the release to release this mechanism for the lock. Take my slide. Line it up. Push it all the way back. I'm going to try and get the, there we go, get the lock locked. And now this pops up just like it did before. Good to go. Now this is the XL frame that it came with. This is the regular P365 frame. You can see the beaver tail's a little longer on the XL. And you can also see there's just a slight larger hand grip area. But when you put the magazine in, it gives you a nice long grip right there. So that's it. That's how you swap the frame on a P365 Sig Sauer. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.